Social media is not for the faint-hearted. Social media, it is not for the faint-hearted. Already people are coming up with emojis and memes of how would umfana react to seeing all those videos that Makwela was screaming, saying, hey, oh, oqala na uyatsho athi hayi bo ngathi dambona ke umfana sekaceba ku-Gog Floor asho athi Floor oMakwela bahlekisana ngami ku-TikTok ngenze njani? No, social media it is not for the faint-hearted. I will swear to you, it is not. But hey, oh girl, at that moment she's like, come what may, okusalayo, I had so much fun. Okusalayo, I enjoyed myself. Have you seen when you told yourself, Ubana, at this moment, I do not care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.